One of the most common question is, should I take NCP-AI or GenL examination? And what about other NVIDIA certification? Now, in this video, I'll quickly break down the difference, which certification is what for, and I'll also recommend as which one that you should start with if you're serious about Agentic AI career in 2026. So let's get started, guys. So let's start with the basic question, like always. What is the necessity of comparing these NVIDIA certification? See, the NVIDIA has got multiple certifications right now. They might look similar from the outside, but each one covers completely different level of depth, and each one has its own role when it comes to career direction. So understanding the difference will help you avoid wasting months and learning the wrong thing. Okay, now let's start by understanding as what exactly is this NCP-AAI examination is going to cover. See, here when we talk about this NCP-AI, the reason that I'm starting with because this is the core Agentic AI examination. It covers the agent foundations, planning and orchestration, tool-based execution, memory and context, multi-agent reasoning. So this means this NCP-AI examination is going to focus on real agentic architecture. It's not just any generic LLM theory. Now, we also have one more examination that is GenL examination from NVIDIA. Now, here, this GenAI certification, it's more of a, I'll say this GenL is basically a generic generative AI certification. It mainly focuses on the foundational concept, the LLM foundations, high level prompting, the Gen AI capabilities, and it also expects you to be aware about the overall cycle of machine learning and generative AI, which means starting with data ingestion to the model development and deployment. So these are the core things that you have to be focusing on. Now, on the associate level, this will be the foundation. On the professional general examination, you'll be tested on the GPU functionality, the GPU optimization, some of the advanced concepts around it. Now, coming back to the question as who NCP-AI is recommended for. So who is it recommended for? So this NCP-AI examination is perfect for DevOps and cloud engineers. It's perfect for the automation engineers, backend developers, or anyone who wants to build the enterprise agentic AI solution. If you see yourself as an agentic engineer in the future, then NCP-AI is the correct place for you to start. Now, moving on, who exactly is this GenL examination is meant for? So this GenL examination is suitable for, I'll say, beginners in generative AI, the non-technical learners, and people who just want to explore the generative AI concepts without going deep. So it's a great introduction, but I want to tell you it's not focused on the agentic system. Now, there are some other NVIDIA certifications as well. Now, these are all the certification that NVIDIA is planning to launch. So these are more the advanced agentic AI certification that would go deeper into enterprise and domain specific automation. So I'll say these are something that are great for later point of time because NVIDIA itself has not launched all these things. So, but all these advanced certification will only make sense after you understand the foundations that NCP AI examination is going to teach you. Now, which brings back to the key point, which one that you should start first. So my recommendation is simple. Start with NVIDIA Certified Professional Agentic AI examination first, that is NCP-AAI, because Once you understand the Agentic Foundation, every other certification in Agentic AI and every enterprise role in 2026 will become easier for you. And GenL, I will say it as a supplementary. So it's not your primary starting point in 2026. Now, coming to the career impact, I'll be focused specifically on this 2026. See, most of the enterprise hiring in 2026 will be happening around agentic automation, that is agentic AI engineer role. It's not for general generative AI chatbot, which means the NCP-AI has got much higher impact for automation and enterprise job relevance. So this GenL will be acting more like a supplementary or secondary in the enterprise context. Now, right now, you've got a great advantage. The NVIDIA is offering 50% off on the certification fee until December 31st. You just have to use the coupon code, that is NVCRTEOY50 at the checkout. You can check out the same in the description as well. And I can say that this month is honestly the cheapest entry into this agentic AI engineering. So make sure you make use of the same. And this is valid only till December 31st. If you want the easy preparation method, if you want 5 full practice tests, detailed explanation, and hands-on video lessons to clear your NVIDIA certified agentic AI examination confidently on your first attempt, I've linked everything right below this video. And once you clear this certification, the transition to enterprise agentic AI bootcamps will become much smoother for you too. So if you found this video helpful, guys, hit like and subscribe because I'll be posting more agentic AI and certificate breakdowns every week. So I look forward to helping you in your agentic AI journey. I'll see you next time.